Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook perfect poached eggs. This method is fairly easy. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to add a little bit of cold water into a small bowl. Crack an egg and add it into the small bowl. Now we can boil some water. When the water boils, turn off the heat. Wait a short while for the bubbles to disappear. Now add the egg into the pan. Remember to hold the bowl close to the hot water. Now cover the pan for 1 minute. After 1 minute, use medium or low heat to cook for another 2 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the soup base for the egg. We need to chop some scallions and add them into the bowl. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce. ½ spoon of sesame oil. Add some hot water. The soup base is ready. Now the egg is cooked. Put them into the soup. It is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.